Tiana's is down. They're still doing tests for cast members, but as you can see, there's not even, they turn off the water flow. So this is the first time I came here, so the rumors are true. They're having issues with this ride. Cast member previews. This is the line for Tiana's. And everybody's waiting because the ride is down. They shut off the water.
I said no.
Poor kid lost his hat. Alright, got a Cheshire tail, cat tail. Never got this before. Try this out.
You've hit your fury and kept it in, but it's time now you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Gonna get lemonade. I never get to sit down on these seats until now.
Enter on the right-hand side of the theater to our top balcony row.
Look at that, they actually have like an orchestra down here. Actually, yeah, that's pretty cool. Orchestra pit.
By honoring the American presidency.
It is 1783, and the smoke is clearing in the wake of the Revolutionary War. Presidents of the United States of America: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, James Monroe, John Quincy Adams, Andrew Jackson, Martin Van Buren, William Henry Harrison, John Tyler, James K. Polk, Zachary Taylor, Millard Fillmore, Franklin Pierce, James Buchanan, Abraham Lincoln, Andrew Johnson, Ulysses S. Grant, Rutherford B. Hayes, James A. Garfield, Chester A. Arthur, Grover Cleveland, Benjamin Harrison, William McKinley, Theodore Roosevelt, William Howard Taft, Woodrow Wilson, Warren G. Harding, Calvin Coolidge, Herbert Hoover, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Harry S. Truman, Dwight D. Eisenhower, John F. Kennedy, Lyndon B. Johnson, Richard M. Nixon, Gerald R. Ford, Jimmy Carter, Ronald Reagan, George Bush, Bill Clinton, George W. Bush, Barack Obama, Donald Trump.
fellow citizens, no event could have filled me with greater anxieties than that notification on the 14th day of April, 1789, that you had selected me to lead our nation. But it was with the confidence of my fellow citizens that I took an oath. 35 simple words that have been repeated by every American president throughout history.
I, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States, and I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.